Here we are, day 17 of March Madness. We're going to do a really delicious rotational movement here. This time you're going to pretend that you've got a little toy train on a track that's running around you. First thing you're going to do is you're going to keep your feet flexed so that you've got something to drive your body around with. So you're going to rock your knees over to one side until you're sitting on that hip. Imagine you've got your toy train and you're going to push it along the tracks and you're going to bring it as far around as you can. A little tip here is let your eyes look further and you'll be able to just turn that little bit more. Then you're going to slowly unwind yourself and come back. And then I'm going to get out of Mariela's way so she can come around the other way. She can push her little toy train around the track and she's going to take her eyes further. So the aim is not for you to be upright. You're going to lean forward into that and then you're going to come back. And again, we're going to go over to the other side. We're going to go around the corner as far as we can and come back. So this gives you a lovely hip stretch, gives you a beautiful rib cage stretch, and just generally makes you feel juicy and delicious for the rest of the day.